Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of the biggest names in healthcare technology, which is Epic Systems. So we will break down its features, performance, pros and cons, and whether it's really worth the massive investment hospitals make. So stick around and let's find out if Epic Systems lives up to its name. Let's begin. Now, Epic System is basically one of the most largest and widely used healthcare software companies in the world. It provides electronic health record or EHR and electronic medical record or EMR solutions designed to help hospitals, clinics, and healthcare organizations manage patient data, streamline operations, and improve care quality. Now, within the Epic Systems, it provides all these standalone specialties that gives you the health systems and clinics. Now, this is going to be the Epic's software tailored for specific medical practices like dental, orthopedics, urology, cardiology, nephrology, and oncology. For example, if you're curious about dental, you would notice that it provides integrated electronic health records or EHR practice and management tools for multi-specialty hospitals, outpatient clinics, and large healthcare networks, ensuring all departments share a single patient records for seamless care coordination. Not only that, you also have the health systems and clinics. Now, once a patient leaves a hospital or clinic, or any post-acute solutions manage ongoing care like rehabilitation, long-term nursing, or hospice. Epic helps facilities share care plans, track progress, and ensure continuity from discharge to discovery. And then you have the post-acute or payers. Now, payers like insurance companies or government health plans uses Epic tools to streamline claims, authorizations, and value-based care programs. Now, it bridges data gap between providers and insurers, improving billing accuracy and reimbursement speed. Now, in terms of the payers like patient experience, Epic focuses on giving patients transparency and engagement through tools like MyChart, allowing them to view medical records and schedule appointments, message providers, and manage bills. The goal here is to make healthcare more user-friendly and connected. And then you have the patient experience for the convenient care. Now, convenient care supports urgent care centers, telehealth, and retail clinics, places where patients can access care quickly without traditional hospital visits because Epic's software keeps their records connected to their primary care data for complete visibility. And then you have the convenient care. Epic collaborates with life sciences or organizations like pharmaceutical research institutions to enable clinic trials, drug discovery, and data-driven studies, all while maintaining patient privacy. This bridges the real-world clinical data with medical innovation. And then you have the life sciences. The care in the home includes Epic's support for home health monitoring, remote patient management, and telemedicine, helping clinicians track vitals, deliver virtual visits, and manage chronic conditions outside traditional facilities. And then you have the care in the home. This is the interoperability within Epic's backbone, enabling healthcare organizations using different systems to share patient data and instantly. Epic's Care Everywhere network connects hospitals, clinics, labs, and pharmacies for seamless information exchange. And then you have the interoperability, which powers the data exchange, and of course, the artificial intelligence. Now, within the artificial intelligence, okay, this is going to be Epic's integrated across the entire system. It's basically not just an add-on. It's woven throughout to predict patient risks, okay? So automate discussions, optimize workflow, and support clinical decision making using data insights. Now you also have the social safety net. You have the ability to care for the whole person by assessing and addressing patients' physical, mental, and social needs, meeting patients where they are by extending care outside of hospitals and clinics. And you have all these tools here. You have the social care, care management, behavioral health, correctional health, patient experience, interoperability, research, and data systems. Now, apart from the Epic system, they also have the Epic Share. Now, this is basically Epic's open platform for collaboration and idea exchange among healthcare organizations, clinicians, and IT professionals, providing access to shared best practices, case studies, implementation tips, and workflow innovation. The goal here is to help healthcare organizations learn from each other's success stories and improve patient care delivery using Epic tools. And then you have the Epic Research. This is a data-driven initiative where Epic uses anonymized data from its vast EHR network to publish public health insights, providing real-world evidence on topics like disease trends, vaccine efficiency, treatment outcomes, and healthcare operations. Essentially, this is Epic's way of turning its enormous data footprint into valuable, actionable research for the global medical community, because researchers and policymakers use these findings to guide decisions and improve clinical practice. And then you also have the Epic User Web. The Epic User Web is the official online portal for Epic clients and users. It's a secure where Epic customer site can access and host user forums, webinars, and community discussions for certified Epic professionals. Now, if you want to explore further, you can also check authentic user reviews, detailed feedback, pricing information, and potential alternatives to Epic systems. You can visit reputable software review platforms like here in Capterra and G2.com. These sites offer valuable insights from real users and can help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and budget. And with that being said, so is Epic Systems the best? Well, it depends if your organization values deep interoperability, advanced data analytics, and large-scale hospital management. Epic absolutely leads the pack. But for smaller clinics or startups, Epic might feel too complex and expensive because it's designed for big health systems with the resources to customize and maintain it properly. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.